choice of a bowl of pad thai with rice noodles or our black bean vegetable enchiladas.
Wow.
Both are $15.75. Our herb roasted half chicken for $16.50. Our seafood catch of the day is seared shrimp crab cakes for $22.75. And our dinner special is the smoky barbecue pork shanks for $12. On our children's menu, we have the Hebrew National All-Beef Hot Dog for $7 or macaroni and cheese for $7. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served by reservation only. You must have a reservation order after entering the dining car.
Oh, Rob, look.
Yeah, come in here.
I will be making my rounds. I will walk the entire train taking dinner reservations.
Oh, you can look out the back too.
I will start at sleeping accommodations, so if you aren't in
That's
sleeping
cool.
accommodations,
wow.
we do ask that you please have one person present in your
And
room
the
with
highway,
your door open in
driveway
order
is
to
up
make your
there, coming
reservation.
down the ridge, you can see the trucks
Consistency and
going
not
up.
missing
Over
anyone.
there on the other side.
So once again, if you
That's what
are
we
in
always
sleeping
drive.
accommodations, we do ask that you please have one person present in your room with your door open in order to make your reservation. Once I've gone through each and every sleeping accommodation, I will walk through each and every coach car and lastly through the observation car.
It's just
I will
phenomenal.
be making my rounds in about 5 minutes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Can you take some pictures?
Take some pictures. Bring your camera.
I'm gonna go down the back. No, I'm not. It's just one window.
We're gonna go through a tunnel, so.
Here, you can get in. You can
Oh.
sit down there if you want.
No, no, no.
Oh.
That's okay. I'll take it. No, go ahead.
You've been wanting to do this? I feel horrible.
Sure, go ahead.
You're awfully kind.
I know. Just, I know, very modest too. How come it's got a red button there? No, it's too dark. Oh, because we're in the tunnel.
Yeah, we're in a tunnel.
That's all right. You're gonna see more.
You
And then
know,
we're gonna start going downhill into Truckee. It's gonna start going down the grade after.
Yeah, this should be the summit right here.
Yeah, we're gonna start going down.
I'm gonna sit here for about 2
Here
seconds
we go.
and just really quickly scan from left to right. And then I'm gonna get my little self out of your seat.
Just clicking. I don't know what I'm getting.
That's what I was doing earlier. Click, 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 click. It's like some of these have to be good.
Yeah.
And you know what? Some of them were really good.
You know what I can do? I'll give you a card, and then I'll send you a link to this. I'm gonna put it on YouTube,
Okay.
Oh.
so you can have
that'd
the
be
whole
great.
video.
Oh, cool.
I actually bought a huge card, and my problem is I'm gonna run out of battery in a minute, and I'm gonna have to go back over there and plug in. But I've got a plug and an extra battery, so
Yeah. This lake is pretty big.
it's awesome.
Just amazing.
But then you can have access to the whole thing.
Yeah. Here's my email.
All right. Text guy.
Yep.
Cool beans.
This is our break before we get busy.
Oh boy, you're not kidding. Oh boy, you're not kidding.
Let's see, Bob. Let me just sit on your
Yeah.
lap for a minute.
Oh,
Go
I'm
sit
getting
there.
out of your way.
No.
I wouldn't
No, that's
dream of it.
fine.
I'm done.
I
I'm
want to go
done.
out this way anyway.
I'm gonna sit right back over here. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. My knees started locking up.
Oh, no, that's not good.
You gotta be where the view is.
That's okay.
Oh, just
We got 2 days of you coming here. Here, I'm gonna put this in my pocket, and I'm gonna get my plug out because it's gonna go dead. I'm gonna start charging.
Near the end of the lake now. I don't know why I have a red button. I don't know what this is.
Don't ask me.
I think it's halfway between video and.
No, that is a big lake.
Yeah, that's the end of it. I mean, that's the town of Truckee.
Truckee's not on the shore down there.
Oh, I'm gonna ask how you fold this thing up.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Truckee. And then there's the downtown. The old Truckee is what you need to know downtown.
Can,
This is all Truckee.
Pretty good.
this is like one of the coolest things I've ever we've ever done. All right. change almost here. I'm gonna put that receipt up while I'm standing here.
Yeah, because that's a tax deductible receipt.
Yeah, absolutely. GPS church.
Does it say Truckee? Does it say?
It says that.
What was that?
That's not the food. It's good. Still saying Donner Pass Road last time.
Madison's Blue Coffee.
What?
Car drive today. Roads are clear.
Yeah.
I just thought the trees would be there. It's sweet rain.
Yep. Just on the sunny side.
Wow, that's nice. Your side's more prettier than our side right now.
Yeah, but it changes all the time.
I'm gonna move your phone so that we can get a.
Oh, can I see it?
Very.
78% charge.
How much?
78%.
Yeah. That's really pretty.
Yes, it is.
Unless you're the Donners and you're stuck there in that mall.
Yeah.
I think that must be a town at Donner Lake.
It's where they. Look it up, Bob. You know you don't believe me.
I had my phone now. Oh, it's over there now.
Probably so.
It's gonna be on that map.
Still Donner Memorial.
Wow, look up.
Wow, gorgeous.
There is a town called Donner Lake. Yeah.
What end of the lake is it on?
The far shore.
Far west, far west.
No, across
Here's some of our first pictures of what. Oh, that was your.
north side.
Yeah.
Northeast.
Northwest.
I should be taking some pictures and putting them on Facebook too. I should have done that one when you were gone.
Okay, this
Oh,
is
well.
Lake Tahoe, so where are you looking?
Right there.
Let's see if he's. Want to go look out the back of the train?
Yeah. I do.
Yeah, we should be in Truckee. Yes.
Town of Truckee's over there at the Donner Lake area.
Okay.
There's a little bar, so. No, just thanks for telling me. Bar of soap is gone.
Yeah.
So yeah.